my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make pain patate, also known as sweet potato pie. But before we get started, I want to thank everybody who subscribe to my channel and watch my videos, and let's get started. Here are today's ingredients: 4 pounds sweet potato, 2 ripe banana, 1 can evaporated milk, half cup sugar, 1 can coconut milk, 1 tablespoon anise extract, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon almond extract, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon lime zest, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, 2 tablespoons butter, and 1 teaspoon clove ground. Now I'm peeling the potatoes, cut them in half, and wash them. Now I'm starting to grate the potatoes. I'm adding now coconut milk, banana, milk, sugar, and the rest of the ingredients. After I mix everything very well, I put it on the stove to cook on medium-high heat for 45 minutes. After that, I will transfer the mixture into a greased pan with butter and flour. I put the pan into the oven and let it bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. This is how it should look like. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Bon appetit! Thank you everyone for watching my video. I appreciate all the comments and suggestions, and see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.